FastMCP 3 implements a provider-based resource discovery pattern, where SkillsDirectoryProvider serves as a concrete provider that exposes agent skills as MCP resources. This provider scans a specified directory structure, identifies valid skill directories containing instruction files, and makes each file available as an individual resource through the MCP protocol. We are about to examine how to configure the SkillsDirectoryProvider with the supporting files parameter set to resources, which will expose all files within each skill directory as discrete MCP resources. This configuration enables clients to discover and access every file directly through resource listing, without needing to first read a manifest.
From passlib import path. From FastMCP server provider's skills, import SkillsDirectoryProvider. Hash all files visible as individual resources. Provider equals SkillsDirectoryProvider. Roots equals path, home/Claude/skills. Supporting files equals resources.
This configuration demonstrates the SkillsDirectoryProvider in resources mode, where every file in every skill directory is exposed as an individual MCP resource. By setting supporting files equals resources, the provider changes its behavior from the default template mode to full resource enumeration. In template mode, only the main instruction file and manifest appear in list resources, requiring clients to read the manifest to discover supporting files. With resources mode, all files become immediately visible, eliminating the need for manifest round trips. This approach is particularly useful when integrating with clients that expect flat resource lists or when supporting files need to be discovered without additional API calls. The trade-off is increased resource list size, as every file in every skill directory appears individually. This configuration scans the ~/ Claude/skills directory, treating each subdirectory with a skill MD file as a separate skill. The provider creates synthetic URIs for all files, making them accessible through standard MCP operations like read resource. Let's break it down.
From passlib import path.
Imports path from the pathlib module for cross-platform file system path manipulation.
From FastMCP server provider's skills, import SkillsDirectoryProvider.
Imports the SkillsDirectoryProvider class from the FastMCP server provider's module, which enables access to AI agent skills stored in directory structures as MCP resources.
Provider equals SkillsDirectoryProvider.
Creates a SkillsDirectoryProvider instance and assigns it to the variable provider. This provider will expose skill directories as MCP resources, making them discoverable and accessible through the MCP protocol. The specific configuration details like directory paths or resource handling modes aren't visible in this line, but the provider is initialized to serve as a bridge between local skill files and MCP clients.
Roots equals path, home/Claude/skills.
Constructs a file system path pointing to the user's home directory, then appends the Claude subdirectory followed by the skills subdirectory. The resulting path object represents the location where Claude skill directories are stored on the local system.
Supporting files equals resources.
Sets the supporting files parameter to resources, configuring the provider to expose every file in each skill directory as an individual resource in the list resources output. This enables clients to discover all available files upfront without additional requests. The SkillsDirectoryProvider implements FastMCP's provider-based resource discovery pattern by exposing AI agent skills as MCP resources. By configuring it with supporting files equals resources, every file in each skill directory becomes an individual resource in the list resources output. This eliminates the need for clients to first read a manifest to discover supporting files, making all files immediately visible and accessible through standard MCP operations. The trade-off is a larger resource list, but this approach simplifies integration with clients that expect flat resource lists or need to discover files without additional API calls. The provider scans the specified directory structure, in this case, /Claude/skills, and creates synthetic URIs for all files, enabling seamless access through the MCP protocol.
The SkillsDirectoryProvider whispers secrets to clients, revealing every file while keeping manifests hidden in shadows.